The next data type we're going to talk about in Redis are called lists. And lists are implemented using something called linked lists rather than arrays. And that's getting into a talk about data structures. So we're not going to get too into it. But the main principle is that insertion is really, really fast with lists. So if you're adding things to the lists, it's really, really fast. But it takes a bit of time than arrays when you're searching for a key. So think of it this way. Lists are useful if you have really long lists and you need to add elements quickly to that list, and you want to use something like that. Otherwise, you want to use something like sorted lists in Redis, which is better for when you're searching or getting those elements. So let's give it a try. The first thing we're going to do is say L push, that is left push. So from left of where the head of the list is, we're going to add 10 as a key. Or sorry, I have to name the key. So I'm going to say that this is going to be, let's say, our list, and we're going to add 10. And let's say I also want to do a right push. And this right push is going to be again on our list. And it's going to have, let's say, hello as a string. And this is going to enter it from the right of the list. Now, if I do something like get our list, we see that because our list is a data type list, we can't just use our string get on Redis. We even get a wrong type, operation against a key holding the wrong kind of value. Now, the way we can actually read some of these lists is if I do something like L range, and we give it a range that we want to grab the data from. You see the key, start, and stop. So I'm going to say I want our list, and we want from, let's say, 0 to 1. I get 10 and hello. If now, let's say I do a left push to our list of 55 and do the range, L range, from 0 to 1, I get 55 and 10 because I only get the two values from 0 to 1. If I do 0 to 2, I get the 5, 55, 10, and hello. You can also run commands like ltrim to trim your list, or you can run things like rdrop, which is drop whatever's on the right-hand side, and I can just say drop from our list, or sorry, instead of rdrop, it's actually rpop, just like in JavaScript. So it's our list. So now if I go to the L range, our list 0 to 2, nope, there's no more hello because we popped that. Not drop, pop. All right, so these are lists. Let's talk about the next data type.